Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today's video is a part 2 of the previous video. In my previous video, I had made a rice toner and had kept aside a bowl of rice to make a rice face mask. Now it's time to strain the rice. Once you're done with straining the rice, keep the rice water aside and let it cool down for 10 minutes. Also keep the rice guys, you can use it to make a rice face pack which I would be showing you all in my next video. So yes guys, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you all how to make a Korean rice face mask. Have you ever wondered why Koreans have such flawless skin? It is because of the skincare guys, and rice is considered to be one of the favorite skincare ingredients. Here are a few benefits of rice for your skin. Rice is full of vitamins and minerals that are beneficial for your skin and help develop skin elasticity and also fades wrinkles. The anti-aging and anti-inflammatory properties present in rice makes your skin look younger, glowing and youthful. It also has properties like skin lightening, removes suntan, treats pigmentation, fades blemishes and acne. So let's see how to make this mask. Firstly, let's start by adding 3 tablespoons of cooked rice to the mixer. If you want, you can add a piece of potato as well to it. Add a little bit of milk to it to blend it into a smooth paste. Now blend it for just 1 minute. Now put the mixture in a bowl. After which add a huge tablespoon of honey and a little more milk to it. Make sure you mix it really well. Before applying the mask, wash your face with warm water. It is advisable to take a steam and if necessary, exfoliate your face. Apply a thick layer of this mask and keep it on for 20 minutes and then wash it off with cool water. You can use this mask 2 to 3 times a week. Please do not store it and use it immediately. So this was a really easy to make and use super beneficial Korean face mask. So guys, if you found this video helpful in any way, then please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, bye bye.